I believe this is a 10,000 megahertz battery, MHZ battery. Let me see. Yep. And I like mophie. So I'm special at B&H. I love shopping at B&H. I wish they were closer to me. But they're not. But every opportunity I get, it's great to go there. The only problem is no parking. Even though they offer parking, you know, but you gotta wait for that parking because everybody wants to go to B&H. I love that store. Love it. Okay, so this is, and I use these batteries all the time. My wife uses them, my kids use them. So this one has connections for micro USB and iPhone. So one of the things I want to do is with the micro USB, I usually get an adapter so I can convert it into USB-C. So I'll have a micro USB, iPhone, and USB-C. And let's open it up. This is everything. So I'll have this at the end. Look at that, large laptop, 24 hours, 17, 24, and 59 hours. Heavy, but nice looking. Wow, it's very nice looking. I think so. This is the, is that micro USB? I think it is. Let me see. Yeah, it's micro USB charger. I wish everything came USB-C. It's got like a spider netting-ish plastic thing. This seems to be like some kind of metal or aluminum. Rubbery. The battery indicator. Dead. And these are the pull-out cables, which is very convenient. Okay, so let's first take some measurements, put it to charge, and see what happens. See how it works. They usually just work. Battery technology has gotten so advanced now that you buy these things no matter what brand you buy and they tend to work. As long as they don't blow up, that's all I care about. And that's it, nothing else in the box. This is everything that comes inside the box. Let me try it on my iPad 12.9-inch tablet. See if it keeps it running. Okay. Again, let's do some measurements from top to bottom. 4 inches, a little over 2, thickness 3/4, yeah, all around. It's more rounded, and that's it. Let's put it to charge. This will be at the end also. Oh, let me measure the cables, sorry. So they're both about the same size, so. Cables measure almost 3 inches long. Okay, I plugged it into charge. And there's the indicator. Let's fully charge it and try it out. To finish off the video, I'm going to actually have my iPad speak to you. I'm going to try this format. Maybe it's much more of a simplified format in that explanation is easier read from the description than anything. But I'll just give you my view and then read off that and then say goodbye. So I've been using it for a while now. It's been over a month, and I really like it. I mean, a battery charger this day and age are battery chargers. It's like I showed, that's how you check the capacity and turn it on. You have to turn it on to get it charging. It has the cables at the end, which is pretty cool. And I just keep this. I use mostly the Lightning. I've been doing a great job in keeping my devices charged. It hasn't run out of battery yet. The case is not letting it go all the way through. You know, they should really take into account when they're making these devices. People put, I'd say 99% of the people put their phones in cases. So you have to take that into account when you're making these devices. But anyway, see, it's charging. I've never run out of battery with this thing. I haven't used the Micro really. I think I used the Micro for, I have a Trackamo that I use on my drone. And I've used it to charge that. Besides that, I've just used the Lightning, and it works really, really well. I haven't, you know, it keeps everything charged. So let me, I think I showed you this, so just in case. Micro USB charging. I'm probably gonna put the magnetic cable thing here to make it easier to charge. But anyway, so that's the mophie. Let me read off the description so you get more of an idea. I like it. It works. It charges. It took me about it. I left it overnight charging, and it works, and it's fine. So let's have it right from the iPad.
mophie 4073ENCRPLUS-10K-LTG-BLK to the power of overview. Charge your gadgets while you're on the go with the to the power of Encore Plus 10,050 mAh power bank with built-in Lightning and Micro USB cables to the power of to the power of mophie. With a battery capacity of 10,050 mAh, the Encore Plus features 2 integrated charging cables. One of the cables has a Lightning connector for iOS devices, while the other has a Micro USB connector. A pair of channels along the side of the power bank are ideal for cable management. Pass-through charging allows the power bank to charge other devices while the power bank itself is being charged, while a series of LED indicators show the battery's charge level. The Encore Plus boasts an anodized aluminum shell with a textured plastic finish. Compact design anodized aluminum with textured plastic finish. LED battery indicator lets you know the battery's charge level. Priority Plus charging enables pass-through charging when connected to a computer or wall outlet. Triple tested battery helps to ensure optimal performance and safe operation up to 59 hours of extra battery life. An estimate based on additional playback time for an iPhone 7. In the box, mophie Encore Plus 10,050 mAh power bank with built-in Lightning and Micro USB cables. USB Type A to Micro USB cable, limited 2-year warranty.
That's 2-year warranty. All right, I hope that's enough information. I hope that helps you make the purchases. And I just want to add that this has been charging all my Lightning devices, my iPads, my iPad minis, my iPad Pros, everything. It works well. It really does. And it's kind of thick, but it is 10,000. So, but it does the job for many, many hours. All right. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.